channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about a brand new Natasha Denona Sunrise Eyeshadow Palette. This is my first impressions regarding this palette. I know it's a little bit late. This been out for like a week or so. I haven't tried this one on. I haven't swatched. I haven't done anything with this palette yet. So I'm just gonna sit down and do everything with you. I'm gonna give you some information regarding this palette. I'm gonna swatches and then I'm gonna demo a good look for you. And if you stay into the end of the video, I will let you know my first impression thought on this Natasha Denona Sunrise Eyeshadow Palette. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so I can let you know whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, let's get into those detailed little information regarding this Natasha Denona Sunrise Eyeshadow Palette. Right now, it's already available on Sephora, Sephora.com, on NatashaDenona.com, and on Beautylist.com. You can pick this up on these retailers. This palette retail for $65. Yes, you heard it right. It is $65. It's not $129 from her previous palette. And this is the outside packet, the outside box. I love this color. Usually I don't really love the orange, red, bright red color like this, but this actually look really pretty. It's just a typical package from Natasha Denona, just Natasha Denona right here. And the name of the palette is right here, so it's nothing new with the package. And as well in the back, you can see the shades of the palettes right here. And just some information regarding that palette. It's just nothing new. But let me actually get into the palette itself. So this is what the actual palette looked like. It comes in a plastic package. So these are her previous palette, and as you can see, the sunset and the gold palettes in this flippy tile packet, and it has a piece of plastic inside. And the Tropic palette and the Safari and the People palette is in this plastic case like this. And as you can see, like in the back, this have some hole in this so you can pop out the shadow itself from the inside. And the name of the shades are actually on the palette itself. So with this Sunrise palette, we still have the same package like the Pipa, the Tropic, and the Safari palette. And as you can see right here, Natasha and the Sunrise, and it's in the back. You still have some hole in it. I love this type of package really much because it's really easy to travel with. You can just put it in your makeup bag and it's just ready to go. And when you open up, these are the shades that inside the palette. Look how pretty, how gorgeous these shades are. You still have the very good side mirror right here, and the name of these shades are actually on the palette. I really love this type of packet. The reason why this palette is cheaper than her previous palette, because look at the size of this palette. It's quite smaller than her previous palette. The size of the Sunrise palette is actually smaller than the size for the Pipa palette. And when you look at the pen size for the Sunrise, as you can see them side by side, the size for the Sunrise palette is quite smaller than the size for the Pipa palette or the Sunset palette. And I guess this is the reason why the price for this Sunrise palette is actually like almost twice as cheaper as the normal size. But I don't mind being the smaller size like this because I think this size is actually better for me, because I love this palette but I can hardly finish one palette. So when it comes cheaper and smaller like this, it's really compact, it's really easy to travel with, and it's actually better for my wallet. I mean, if I cannot finish the whole 15 shadow, then why I pay more? So I really appreciate when she reduced the price and make the palette a little bit smaller. The Sunrise palette is inspired by the warm glow of a morning sunrise with its sunny yellows, crimson corals, earthy browns, and powerful pinks, all made to melt together in a perfect harmony. This Sunrise palette features 15 brand new shades in Natasha Denona's iconic formulas, These shades are packed with the highest quality ingredients to create a buttery soft texture that blends seamlessly for a vibrant, ultra-pigmented, long-lasting look. The duochrome's velvety matte and sparkling metallic hues will elevate your senses and inspire you to create your very own radiant works of art. Let's take a closer look at these shades. First, I have Clove. It's a dark maroon creamy matte. Next, Poppy is a crimson bronze metallic. Citron is a warm yellow matte. Floss is a burnt warm crimson metallic. Awakening is a lavender nude duochrome. Laurel is a peachy champagne metallic. Aster is a violet mauve duochrome. Glory is a fuchsia matte. Azalea is a pink copper duochrome. Morgan is a pastel coral creamy matte. Agate is a champagne apricot metallic. Carnelian is a burnt light orange creamy matte. Jasper is a bright terracotta creamy matte. Morning is a light apricot creamy matte. And Dayspring is a nude brown metallic. Alright guys, I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit closer so I can play with this palette. The first shades I'm gonna use is Morning. Is a creamy matte apricot color, and I'm gonna use the brush I'm gonna use is 224S, and I'm just gonna apply this to my crease. This color is really creamy. It's very soft. It does not show much on my skin tone, but it laid down very nicely. This shade is really nice to make a transition color. Doesn't show up much, but it looks really pretty. The next shades I'm gonna go in with is Jasper, and I'm gonna use this with the Sigma E45. They sent this brush to me. I haven't tried any eyeshadow brush from Sigma, but these are they sent it to me as a in a PR packet. So if you want to try on any of the Sigma brush, I have several here. You can use code ANN10 on sigmabeauty.com to get you 10% off. So I'm just gonna use this one today and gonna put this in my crease. It's really soft. I really like this color. I thought I don't like it because I usually don't use any this type of color, but I really love it. It's really bright, vibrant, but it's not too loud. And with this color, I find it's really easy to use it for during the day as well. This brush is so soft. I don't have any scratchy or anything. I really like it. I'm gonna pick up this very beautiful citron, but I'm gonna pick up this beautiful citron colors and just gonna blend everything right here at the edge. I'm gonna darken my outer corner a little bit with Clove. Let's use Floss. I don't know what to say that words. And I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. I'm gonna gonna use a wet brush and just kind of clean up it. It's very pretty. You can see a little bit sparkling in there. I don't know if you can pick it up, but if you look closer, you can see a little bit little speck of sparkle in there. Very pretty. On this side, I'm gonna use it with a brush to see if they're any different. I'm just gonna go back to glove and just kind of blend out the edge. But if I use it with a brush, I see more of this speck of sparkle on my eyes. Other than this one doesn't have as much, but I don't know if you can tell from the camera. But I see more sparkling on this one with a brush, so it's up to you. Either way is good. It doesn't have any much of a difference. But for this middle part right here, I want to use Azalea. I don't know how to say this word. And I'm just gonna put this right in the middle. Right here. With these metallic shades, I do have a little bit fallout right here, but that's what I expect from any metallic shades anyway. So you can either have a little bit powder underneath, or you can do your eye first. Either way is good, but it's not as bad to fall out. As you can see, there's some fallout right here, but it's not bad at all. You can just dust this off if you have a little bit of powder right here, or you can do your eye first. No big deal. This is what I expect from metallic shades anyway. But so far, all the shades that I use, I really like. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna use Clove, and I'm just gonna put it right here. Then I'm gonna use Jasper to blend out Clove. I'm gonna use Aster to highlight my inner corner. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna finish my face off camera, and then I'll be right back to let you know my first impression thought on this Natasha Denona Sunrise Palette. This is it, you guys. This is the complete look. What do you think? Alright guys, here is my first impression thought on this Natasha Denona Sunrise Eyeshadow Palette. Even though I didn't use all the shades in here today, but the shade that I use, I really like them. They really creamy, they really pigmented. I did not have a lot of trouble blending these shades out. Alright, first let's talk about the package. It's really nice. It's really easy to travel with. This is what I usually pick up when I travel with. It has all the shades in here. And the price is cheaper. It's only $65 compared to like $129 from her previous palette. This is, to me, I think is in the perfect size, perfect amount of colors, and the perfect amount of price points. I really love this palette. The color range in here is really beautiful. You have really neutral shades right here. You can do like everyday look. And then you also have some pop of colors in here, but they are not too loud that you think, oh, it's gonna be too much, too intimidated. So here are my first impression thought. I love the package. I love the color range in here. You have neutral shades in this, and then you also have some pop of colors. All the shades that I use today is really easy to blend out. They pigmented. They did not have a lot of fallout, except some from the metallic shade, but you get that from any eyeshadow palette anyway. So I really love this. The price point is just perfect. If you want to try out Natasha Denona, but the Sunset palette or the Gold palette is it too dramatic, or you think the People palette is just too neutral, then I think this is the good, perfect, the middle ground for you guys. You have some neutral and then you also have some pop color, so it's just, to me, I just love this palette. I mean, I think this is, out of all this eyeshadow, all of her eyeshadow palette, this is, I think, my most favorite one so far. Even though I didn't try other shade, but the shade that I tried today, I did not have any problem with that. I love them. So there you go, guys. I love this palette. But let me know in the comment down below what you thought on this new Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. Do you like it? What did you think of the price point? Is that justified for you to get this? Do you like the normal size that she usually get, or you prefer the smaller size? Let me know in the comment down below. I love to hear you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.